Hey guys, how's it going? Louise here. So, back doing a video. I know it's been a while. Time just goes too fast these days. And it is Father's Day weekend. So I'm here with Bushwacker Man, the one and only. So I'm going to be doing a one night camp out in my DD tent, which I stayed in at the Bushcraft show, if you guys have seen that video of mine. And it's been a while since I've actually made like a camp out video, but I just want to say a massive thank you to all my subscribers that comment and like my videos and support me and keep telling me to make more content and more videos. Like, I'm trying, it's just finding the time, you know, as I'm working now and pretty busy, but I have been coming out doing camp outs, just getting into it like a lot more ever since I came back from Tanzania. Just had a different outlook on the way I'm thinking and everything, and I'll speak about that a bit later. But the last time I actually made a video was the Bushcraft show, and I just want to talk about that a little bit. How much fun I had and like how much I loved it there, and just like the atmosphere and everything. If you've been there, you know how amazing it is and like how chilled it is and how beneficial it is and how much you can learn. And this year it was so busy there. I'm not sure the exact numbers of how many people, but I'm pretty sure it's the busiest it's ever been. So it just shows how popular bushcraft is getting, which is really good, because we need that. More people need to get outdoors and just starting enjoying the outdoors more and learning more about it, as it teaches you a lot about yourself, and it's what we need. Like, it's just going back to our roots, like where we belong and everything, and it does have a big change in the way you feel, just being more happy and just being outside, spending time by yourself, just realising in life like what truly matters. I think that's a really big thing that we need to do more of in our lives, because of how our lives have become these days. But Bushcraft show, I just wanted to stay there, live there forever. It's just the vibe, like everyone thinks the same, everyone has the same outlook on things, everyone's into the same thing, so you get a good mixture of people, and then you come back into society and people don't have the same views and live life differently, and I find that quite difficult sometimes to sort of accept, because society just judge you for the way you are and like what you believe in. So it is like a hard contrast, and I've been finding that quite difficult recently. But I think coming out here, spending time in nature, and really sort of makes all that go away, really. So these days I just quite like spending a lot of time by myself. Like, I've got really into my meditation. I've sort of taken that to the next stage, but I'll speak about that a lot more throughout the camp out. So I'm going to do my setup now and talk about Tanzania, because I haven't spoken about that yet. If you've seen my Tanzania travelling videos. So I'm going to do egg meal that I had when I was out there. Yeah, so stay tuned. So this is my new knife that I got at the Bushcraft show. It's a Field Master and that's what I've been using. Yeah, it's a pretty good knife. It's in the sale for £10. It's pretty decent. Would definitely recommend. It's got a good cut, so definitely worth the money. What I'm doing now is a meal, well, breakfast that I used to have when I was in Tanzania. So I've got 4 eggs, tomatoes, onions and oil. So firstly I'm going to fry off my onions and tomato. It's crazy how green it has become since I last came up here. So shows that summer is coming and it's on its way. How is it?
Really nice.
So it's 9 o'clock now, guys, and the sun is setting. Just going for an evening walk before I hit the head and get up early tomorrow for another walk. Back my walk now. It's been a pretty good day. It's gone super fast. Getting up pretty early tomorrow, about 5:30, for a walk early in the morning. So See how that see how that goes down. But done a lot today, practicing like my fire lighting and stuff like that, and cooking, and the day just literally just went by really. Didn't even have time to read my book, which is pretty sad. But hey ho, gonna hit the head now. Night guys. Morning guys. It's now 5:30. So up with the birds. I'm actually up. So happy Father's Day.
Cheers Louise, oh you remembered.
Yeah, I have the best memory ever.
Best day of the year, isn't it?
What?
It's the best day of the year, Father's Day.
Yeah.
Lots of spoils, lots of cooking,
Yeah.
presents.
Unfortunately, I haven't got you anything.
Just to make me something today.
So, just got back off our walk now, guys. And just getting the fire going. It's a nice walk, pretty refreshing.
And Louise is doing breakfast.
Early in the morning. First time I've got up early in a long while. Yeah, Father's Day breakfast.
Yeah, it's going to be big. It's going to be beautiful.
Oh, Buzzy. So once again, I just want to say a massive thanks to all my subscribers. I'm nearly at 2,000, so I'm super happy with that, and it's amazing that my channel has grown and got to that many. So thanks to everyone for all the support. Much love. So now I'm going to start packing up. Weather's not good, it's raining, starting to rain. So getting everything packed up. It's a shame, it's been such a great camp out, such a great night. So yeah, here goes for the pack up. So pretty much all packed up now. Like I said, it's been a good camp out, had a good breakfast this morning. It's just a real shame about the weather really. It's meant to be summer, it's like what's it playing at? But massive thanks for watching, everyone that's watched and those that subscribe, and to my channel. Just drop some comments below if you liked the video, and what else, like just let me know what you want to see in my future videos, anything you want me to do talks on, anything like that. Just any ideas you have for me, just drop them below, give me a comment, let me know what you think. So yeah, cheers for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and to all the fathers out there, happy Father's Day.